tip.
Yeah, you've got a little bit of a little low spot here. Make sure when you're locating it, twist up a bit there, off to the left side there, okay, and just walk it over. You can see that tool moving toward the center. See where I'm over here on the left side? Mm-hmm. On the flat area, okay, twist, release, and you can walk it over. See it there?
Yep.
Go ahead and try that.
So you're twisting.
Yes.
Good bit.
Yep. Hey guys, we're back from Mobile Tech Expo. It was a great show over in Orlando. If you guys never have if you guys have never had an opportunity to get out there and check it out, I advise you guys to go check it out over in Las Vegas. It'll be coming up, I think, the end of August. We'll be giving you guys dates then. But right now, the Ding King has a lot of new students that just started. Guys coming in from where'd you guys come in? Where'd you come in from?
Mississippi.
Mississippi. Where are you from?
Bay Area.
The Bay Area. Where'd you come in from?
Montana.
Montana.
Go Grizz.
No, you came in from Montana. You're going to be here with us for
12 weeks.
12 weeks. So we're going to be seeing a whole lot of him later on in the upcoming videos.
Been waiting a long time.
Now, what is it you do right now?
Retired, man. I just got out of the military. 38 years.
Perfect, perfect.
You're looking on the light.
I'm looking at
On the reflection.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we've got a couple guys from Jersey here. Now, what do you do over in New Jersey? What do you do over in Jersey?
Service technician.
Service technician. So how's your second day going for you so far?
It's going good. Have a lot to learn. More practice.
Let's come on over and check out some of the guys in the car. Now you came to us all the way from Arizona, right?
Yeah.
Now what is it you do over there? I know you work with Auto Nation.
Auto Nation, Subaru and Ford.
Suburban Ford, and what do you do there at the dealership?
I'm the lead supervisor from Dito.
Okay, perfect, perfect. And this is your second week?
Yeah, my second week.
Now how would you compare yourself and your progress from your first week till now?
A lot better.
Good.
I learned too much. It's a little difficult working aluminum, but everything is good.
Yeah.
I have good professors and everything will perfect.
Yeah, aluminum's a lot different than all the sheet metal stuff we were working on. Good. Now over here we got Patrick. Patrick's been with us now. He's going on his 5th week, right?
Yep, last week.
Patrick decided to exercise his, or use his Post 911 GI Bill, which the Ding King has recently been approved to start accepting among all the other chapters and voc rehab and so on. Now, with this being your 5th week, how do you feel?
Pretty confident. I could make a pretty good career out of it, I think. So.
Now, what are some of the types of dents and things that we had you work on since you've been here? I know I'm putting you on the spot, but.
No, pretty much everything. Body lines, hoods, roofs, trunks, doors, rails, aluminum, lots of everything.
Covered a lot of the bases, right? A lot of the different types of dents and stuff out there. Well, good, man. I'm glad you're doing good. Like I said, you got a couple more days, and you know.
And back home.
Good. Now, if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys reach out to us on the web at thedingking.com. You can give us a call at 1-800-304-3464 or reach us on one of our social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or here on this YouTube channel. And make sure to check out custompdrtools.com. One of our very own instructors, lead instructor of our Dallas, Texas location, Mr. Lee Roth, just introduced at Mobile Tech Expo in Orlando his new line of tools. So again, go check them out and keep checking back. You'll be seeing more of all of these guys here. We'll see you guys soon.